Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming squishies. So this is one of my favorite squishies, and we're going to be sharing with you what kind of different squishies there is. So I got this squishy from Target, and I basically just got it from Target because I went there with my sister. I supposing you know her because she is in my Musically picture, and we've done one Musically together. She has her own Musically account too, and we both got a squishy from Target. My mom took us there. And she chose an ice cream one. It had an ice cream cone and pink ice cream. That was strawberry ice cream. I got this. I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Well, I forgot, but if really try to remind me in the comments if you know what this is called. So it's very cute. It's very squishy. And my sister tried to prank me and say that hers was scented, but I smelled it and it wasn't. So enough talking about that. So we're going to be talking about this wonderful squishy. So what we're going to do with this squishy, we're going to take the squishy, so we're going to put it right there, and so after we're done doing that, we're going to have the squishy already like this, and if you guys have a squishy, you might want to be doing this, if it's like round shape like this, yeah, okay, and you're going to go right from the top, go as hard as you can. Then let it go back up and do it again. So after you're done doing that, what you want to do is take as many bracelets as you can. I have so many bracelets. If you guys have a lot of bracelets, please comment down below, because I don't know how many bracelets you have. I have a lot, so I'm just going to grab a couple of them, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do is take one of your bracelets, and see, you're just going to stack it on top, and keep doing that. Just keep stacking them on top, like as many as you want. I'm halfway finished. Just need a couple more. Let me grab some more. Okay, I just grabbed a couple more. It's a nice stack now. Then what you want to do is find some tape, and so what you're going to do is take the tape. Oh, hold on. I need to get my tape working. Tape, come with me, tape. Help me, tape, help me. Sometimes my tape doesn't work. So, oh, finally. Okay, and grab a little bit of tape. I only got a little bit, and tape it down as good as you can. I can't tape mine very well, but I'm doing my best. So you want to keep doing that. As for the other side too. So, tape always messing with me. Okay, there, I got it. if your tape does that, please comment down below. I really want to know. My tape came off. Okay, what I'm gonna do, guys, take all my bracelets and go grab my other tape because this is certainly not working. So I'll be right back. So stay right here and keep yourself calm. Okay, sorry that took a while. My dad wanted me. Okay, so I have my brand new tape. So what you want to do is take the tape, grab about this long, grab all your bracelets, tape one side, nice and tapey, that's what I'd say for a funny joke. Okay, got one side. Now I just need to do the other side. About the same, except a teensy bit longer. And there you go. It's a nice little roll that is covered with beautiful bracelets. So that's the end of this video for now. Comment down below if you like squishies and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm just gonna take this off because my dad will get really mad if he sees that. So I'm gonna go to my garbage can and put this tape away. Okay, I got one and two. I got none. Okay, so you have all your bracelets. If you want to, slide, 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 and slide, and slide. Get your bracelets. But if you don't want to, drop, 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 drop. Oh, and if you're wondering what that looked like, it looked like that. Just a pile of nothing. Okay, so that's the end of this video for now, guys. Hope you have a really good day. Bye. Comment down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Maybe you comment. Did I already say that? Comment down below if you like squishies. Yeah, I think I already said that. So, bye. Big thumbs up. Bye.